In the other video, I showed you the unboxing of the Ring. Now, I'll show you this time installing the indoor cam. It's ready as it is. I'm not gonna mount this. I'm just gonna show you setting it up and see how it works. Three manual. You get the indoor cam. This is what we need. And this is for the video doorbell 3 plus. So we'll have a separate video for installing this. And this is just product information. Now I'm recording with my phone, and unfortunately, according to the instruction, I will need to scan it to set it up. It also has the scan code here at the back. I would assume they're the same. So anyway, I'll show you the setup because that's all we need. First, while doing that, we're gonna plug this orange cable here. We don't need this. This is the one, the charger. So let's remove this now. If you're mounting on the ceiling or the wall, you need this. For now, we'll use this as the stand, and we'll insert it here. How will I pull it? Oh, it's kind of hard. This doesn't have batteries, so this has to go in place always. That means you have to put this somewhere where you're near the outlet or the outlet is reachable. I think this is long enough. Okay. So here I unplug it first, and I also remove the film. You have to remove it. It will tell you upon setup to remove this film and the plastic covering the lens. And I'm gonna move this to where I want it to be for monitoring. And this one is fixed. Once you plug it in, it's so hard to pull it out. You might destroy the wiring. So I believe it's designed that way because there's no built-in battery here, and you have to plug this all the time, connect it to Wi-Fi. You've seen the setup that I showed you using the same phone. So anyway, it's ready to use. You don't even need to I did not even have to read all this stuff, except when I want to install it on the ceiling, on the wall, all those stuff. But all I need is this to scan it, to go to the site, and then scan this one for the code of this camera. Okay, that's it. By the way, just want to show you to install it on the wall. I have to remove this and unscrew this one, put it here. Well, before you put it here, you screw this into the wall. If it's a ceiling, it goes like this, and then you can adjust. You can tilt this. Okay, so you can tilt this like this, that way. For now I'm gonna put it on the wall. Let's see if it's gonna stand up for good. No. I have to secure this. Oh, maybe like that. That's fine. Okay.